TUI flight down to Kefalonia. It's my pleasure to be flying you there today with you on the flight deck. First officer Rob Wesman, looking after the back, Hoodman Simon, assisted today by Louise Harry and Amanda Simon. Our cap crew will do everything to make your flight as comfortable as possible. Their primary job is your safety, so we'd appreciate your close attention to the safety briefing as we get underway. We shall wait very shortly, pretty much on schedule. Flight time today is just 3 hours and 6 minutes, cruising eventually up at 37,000 feet. Weather conditions en route are fine, and down in Kefalonia, really nice day, temperature now will go 29 degrees, with light winds and maybe a light scattered cloud at the airport, so a great way to start your break. Well, enjoy your flight, and I'll speak to you a little bit later on.
On board this 737-800 series aeroplane. Once again, could we please ask for your full attention as we do go through the safety features on board this 737-800 series aeroplane. The red emergency exit signs are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Your nearest exit, which may be behind you, is being pointed out to you now by your cabin crew. To help you find these exits, low-level lighting will illuminate the aisle as being indicated now. If instructed to use an escape slide, then please leave all luggage behind and remove high-heeled or rubber-soled shoes. The panel above your head can change your emergency oxygen supply. If there's a change in cabin pressure, masks like this will drop down in front of you. Quickly pull the mask downwards, place it over your nose and mouth with the elastic around your head and breathe normally, adjusting the straps to secure it. Do make sure your own mask is fitted correctly before helping others. Whenever the seatbelt signs are illuminated, your seatbelt must be securely fastened. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted and opened like this. There is a life jacket underneath your seat. Do not remove your life jacket unless instructed to do so by a member of cabin crew. To fit the life jacket, place it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and tie them in a double bow on your left side. The life jacket will inflate when you pull down sharply on the red toggle. It may also be inflated or topped up by blowing into this tube.
And gift items. Now every single item you can find in that brochure is guaranteed to save you money off the high street price, as you don't have to pay the tax on it as we are flying today, meaning that you really can bag yourself a bargain for the comfort of your seat. We have testers available for our perfumes and aftershaves on board, but one very important thing, I'm delighted to say that we have a big promotion on board today just for you. We are offering an additional 20% off the already fantastic price on all perfumes and aftershaves in the brochure. So whatever the price is, already at a tax-free price, you can take another 20% off this today. We'll give you more details later on, however don't miss out and check out the magazine. back of the aircraft and one here at the front. New procedures have come into place recently, therefore if you are waiting to use the toilet, we must request that you stand on the carpeted area in the aisle of the aircraft and behind the galley curtains. Unfortunately, we cannot have any congregating in either the forward or rear galley areas or by the main aircraft doors during the flight today. Also, a slight reminder that only alcohol purchased aboard may well be consumed. Our cabin service will commence shortly, and that will start with Harry giving you the chance to purchase a bottle of fizz on board the aircraft to get you into the holiday mood. And in the meantime though, sit back, relax, check out our own flight magazines, including our cafe guides, and if you need anything, do let us know. Thank you.
Ground speed around 450 miles per hour. The route today, down towards Chichester, then out across the channel, crossing the coast at Gien. We're 5-6 minutes away from Paris. The best views probably just on the left-hand side of the aircraft, pretty much over the top of the city though. And then down towards Geneva, across the Italian Alps into Italy, near Milan. Crossing the Italian coast again at Genoa, and then down the western coast of Italy, past Pisa and Rome, Naples, and then across the boot of Italy, start our descent on into Kefalonia. ETA at the moment, expect to be touching down at 4:20 on your kitchen clocks, that's 6:20 local. And as soon as I've got the latest weather for you there, I'll let you know. Meantime, enjoy the rest of your flight. Thank you. Nice views across the Alps into Italy with about an hour and 50 left to run. Based on the left hand side of the aircraft, we're just to be Mont Blanc. Thank you. Touching down ATC committee 30 minutes time in Kefalonia. The latest weather there, very pleasant evening. It's got warmer, temperature at the moment 32 degrees with calm winds and maybe just a very light scattering cloud at the airport. There's just a chance that we'll have to hold before we actually arrive. We've got quite an old-fashioned ATC system down there. It's very procedural, so they like sort of going one at a time. And if there's anybody else on the approach, we just have to sit and hold for a couple of minutes until they land. So if you sense us flying around in circles, that's what we're doing. But like I say, if there's no delays, straight in and landing in 30 minutes time. Well, I hope you've all had a pleasant flight. Now you all have a great holiday. Look forward to seeing you on your way home. Thank you.
boys and girls, a very warm welcome to the beautiful island of Kefalonia and a stunning evening down here. But the local time is 20 minutes past 6, 2 hours ahead of the UK, and the outside temperature is 31 degrees. Now that we have landed and left the runway, you can use your handheld electronic devices. And before you leave us today, please ensure that you do have everything with you. Look in the seat pockets under your seat and in the overhead compartments. Do take care and open the overhead compartments to ensure that nothing falls out. Any items that we find of lost property that we find on board will be handed over to our team here. We do not return anything to the UK. So once again folks, please do check all areas around you to ensure that you have absolutely everything with you. If you were given an additional seatbelt or life jacket on today's flight, please can we ask that you leave these on your seat. And if you've checked in a child's buggy, you can collect this with your luggage in the arrivals hall. Please have your passports ready for immigration authorities here. And as a reminder, smoking is not allowed, and that includes electronic cigarettes. If you're on holiday with TUI your first choice, you'll need to look out for the TUI team in the arrivals hall for the next part of your journey. TUI is really easy to recognise as it shares the same big red smile logo as the airline. All you need to do, follow the smile and let us take care of the rest. Well, we do hope that you have enjoyed your flight with us this afternoon. It really has been an absolute pleasure having you on board. Have a wonderful time down here. Please do stay safe, look after one another, and we very much look forward to seeing you in a week or two's time on your return flight to Bournemouth. Thank you for choosing to fly with us, and a very good evening to you all. Thank you.